Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can create an account on the BDO Unibank. Now, firstly, to do that, make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once a web browser opens up on your screen, on the search bar type in BDO space UNIBANK and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on the first link, you will be redirected to the home page of the BDO Unibank. And then a menu will appear on your screen. On this menu, choose whether you want to open up a personal or a business account and then click on it. Once you click on one of those options, another menu will appear on your screen. On that menu, click on this first option. After you click on the first option, you will be redirected to another page. Now, if you have your login credentials, simply fill in your user ID here, your password here, and then click on this login button. If you want to create a new account, click on this not yet enrolled, enroll now button. After you do that, another page will appear on your screen. Now on this screen, simply click on this I have read, fully understood and agreed with the terms and conditions option and then click on this submit button. After you click on this submit button, you will be redirected to another page where you will have to fill in some details. Now on this page, first is select the account type you want to create. So let's say you want to create a deposit account. Now click on where you will be enrolling from, either within the Philippines or outside the Philippines. And now fill in your ATM card number here, your preferred nickname here, your user ID, password, and fill in your password here again, your mobile phone number, your email number, fill in this captcha, and if you want to click on this, click on one of those options and then click on this submit button. Once you click on this submit button, your application will be submitted to the BDO Unibank of Philippines, and then your application will be reviewed, and once the review is complete, your account will be created. I hope this video helped you to create an account in the BDO Unibank. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.